Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's day 3 of vlogging. Big thing for me, and applaud to all the people who have supported me. I am dil se thankful for all the support and all the love I received on the first video, all the love I'm receiving in the second video. And I just hope कि आपका प्यार ऐसे ही साथ रहे. All my lovely friends and my lovely students. I also kind of started this channel because when I moved from Bhubaneswar to Bangalore, I went through a river of emotions. So many emotions I had to go through in the beginning because I've been in Bhubaneswar for quite a long time. And leaving the city, leaving the culture, leaving the pace with which the city runs. And I'm still going through a lot in Bangalore. I have a lot of things in Bangalore, and I'm going through a lot of feelings apart from love, of course. So, while I explore those, I also want to keep sharing those things. Bangalore amazes me, sometimes in a good way, sometimes in a weird way. लेट्स सी कैसी चलती है लव स्टोरी बैंगलोर के साथ. और अभी तो बस उठी हूँ मैं. यू कैन सी द पफीनेस ऑन माई फेस. दैट्स माई ब्रेकफास्ट गाइज. दिखने में तो उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, बट इट्स सुपर टेस्टी. इट्स बेसिकली सूजी एंड वर्मिसेली उपमा विथ पीनट्स एंड अनियन चिलीज़. ये मैंने नहीं बनाया है, ये मधु ने बनाया है. एंड बहुत अच्छा बनाता है वो. तो कभी कभी व्हेन आई हैव द क्रेविंग टू ईट दिस, वो बनाता है और मैं खाती हूँ. सो आई हैव टेकन अ हॉलीडे टुडे. I was having cramps early in the morning and I couldn't really get up early. You know how bad cramps can get. Women can relate to this. But that in no way means that I'm free today because आज एक क्लाइंट के यहाँ भी जाना है, उनको डांस सिखाना है. So you're gonna get a sneak peek into how I do the side hustle. So that's all for now. I'll see you in a bit. So right now we are cooking dal. We already have bhindi. That's our bhindi. We have rice to cook, and there's something nice I want to show you. Ta-da! Guess ये क्या है? This is a grapefruit. It's from the lemon family only, but it tastes bittersweet. And इसको हम ओडिशा में we basically mash it with a bit of salt, sugar, and chili powder. Paga. ଆମେ ୟାକୁ ପାଗ କହୁ. That's my lunch, guys. I know it doesn't look that appetizing. That's basically a small portion of tamarind rice with a lot of dal, some bhindi ki sabzi on the side. And we have this grapefruit mash. It doesn't look that good, but it tastes amazing. Bittersweet. ये देखो गाइस, चोरी कर रहे हैं. इसमें करना होता है ना वो. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, इसमें करना होता है ना. I'm back again. Did you miss me? Of course not. अब मुद्दे पे आते हैं. So we had an amazing session with the client. Bangalore clients, I tell you. And you can get a glimpse of that here. बेस्ट क्लाइंट्स एवर. उन्होंने हमें चाय भी पिलाई. उन्होंने ये बंद कर दी थी, बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है ना. उन्होंने हमें चाय भी पिलाई, उन्होंने समोसा भी लाया था, बट आई डिड नॉट हैव द समोसा सो आई एम स्टार्विंग. तो मैंने ये बेगल मंगा के रखा था. बेगल फैंसी स्टफ. चेतना loves bagel. Chetna, this is for you. If you're watching, this is for you, baby.
I see you walking through the door. Why won't you look across the floor? I got to tell you how I feel. Oh, baby, you're the only one for me. I wanna get.
Now let me show you the best part. Ooh, can you see? I love when it oozes out like this. There we go. That's my bagel sandwich. Ta-da! कहा था ना मैं अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ. My dinner has already become messy, but it's super super tasty. And we are completing this movie. We watched it half. It's called The Visit. Though I took a day off today because of menstrual cramps, but I ended up working more than my normal days. I cooked. I went to teach the clients and I came back, I cooked again, and now it's finally time to chill a bit, relax my brain, watch something nice, eat, and go to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow again, and I would say that day 3 was highly, highly productive. So let's call it a productive day. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see what's in store for us tomorrow. Bye bye. Alexa, start.